Hi, I'm Shari Berkowitz of the Vertical Workshop, and I've got a question for you. Say I'm doing this exercise, the mermaid on the reformer, as I am, and I do repetition number 1, and repetition number 2, and here comes repetition number 3, and that's my repetitions, and then what am I gonna go do? What do you usually do? Well, I'm gonna just go to the other side. But I see people all over the Pilates community of all styles go and do a counter stretch. Why are you doing a counter stretch? Are you not gonna go do the other side? How about that on side sit-ups on the short box? Or why are there extra stretches on the tree? Is not enough enough? If people's goals are something physical and they have to move, why are we spending all this time with extra stretches that are really unnecessary? Just do one side, then good, do the other side, stay efficient.